Hi, my name is Lydie and I help people helping themselves with quick fixes. So today I'm going to talk about how to help your breathing system. So be it with the cold, to a certain extent sinusitis is a bit different, but you will feel the back of the throat. So people often think that they have bronchitis, but bronchitis sounds really deep, like a... While sinusitis is more kind of really high-pitched, and you feel it if you do this. If it's the upper sinuses, you will feel pressure and a bit of pain. Here, there, just under here as well, we've got sinuses, just above the canine. And if it's sinuses, you can often have teeth problems. Not any kind of teeth problems, but due to the nature of the trigeminal nerve, which comes through here and then splits in 4 branches, one here, one goes there, here, and the last one here. So if you often have pain along here, before thinking that you have teeth problems, actually have, you can do a quick check by yourself here along this muscle. So that is a quick way to actually do a self-assessment with what you need. Okay, next step, how to open up your breathing system. So Panadol is great. You have natural products such as Prospan, Caloba, which will definitely help. In the meantime, there still is something that you can do at home. Literally it takes 60 to 90 seconds. If you have a bowl, here's what to do. So the key word is gently. So once you have the pose and it's feeling reasonably comfortable, you're going to gently push until you feel your hands touching the floor, touching the ground. And then you gently, mindfully, deliberately stretch into it. And you just gently roll with it, literally. As you breathe out, breathe in, and gently breathe out. Okay, so do that a few times, and you will find that this is going to help you. Now, if you don't have a bowl, don't worry. There's another simple quick fix. You will need a towel. So by towel, I mean, what you dry yourself for after your shower. The important part is to fold it this way. This is what you're looking for. With the towel, you want to position it just under your tailbone in this way. And you gently let yourself go. Then you're going to put your palms flat on the floor. And start stretch yourself. If it's uncomfortable, bend your knees and shift the position of your hips. The idea is it's going to start creating different alignments for your energy to start circulating. It's starting to open up the rib cage. So when you have any difficulties, be it with the cold, flu, or even what is infamously going around now, technically all of your muscles are cramped. This helps the muscles opening up. So your breathing system is finally working for you. And then come back up. Okay, thanks for watching. This was the quick fix.